Hi everyone, my name is Preeti, pursuing my education in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, Bangalore. So let us know about what is design thinking in workshop. So let us learn about introduction to design thinking in workshop. Workshop means design workshop are collaborative seasons that brings together. Workshops produce a structured and interactive environmental for participants to indicate, prototype and iterate designs. Effective workshop designs foster creativity, engagement and collaboration among participants. So now let us learn about setting the stage for a successful workshop. In design thinking, define clear objectives and outcomes for the workshop to ensure everyone is aligned on the purpose and goals. Determine the ideal workshop duration, location and number of participants basis on the complexity of the design challenges. In design thinking, prepare materials, tools and resources in advance of the facilitate seamless workshop execution. So next, let us learn about design thinking framework for workshop. Being with the empathizing and understanding the needs of the users or stakeholders involved in the design challenges in design thinking. Move on the defining the problems, statements and framing the challenges to provide a clear focus for ideation and solution. Engage in ideation and brainstorming activities to generate wide range of ideas and possibilities. So in design thinking, let us learn about prototyping and iterating designs in workshop. Encourage participants to rapidly prototype their ideas using various materials such as paper, clay, or digital tools. Facilities feedback seasons to gather insights and refine the prototypes based on a user needs and preference. In design thinking, prototype of iterate and refine design based on the feedback, making necessary adjustment and improvements in a workshop. In many workshops, encourage participants different types of workshop in design thinking are held. Now, in design thinking, facilitations techniques for workshop success. In design thinking, fosters a safe and inclusive environment where participants feel comfortable expressing their ideas or opinions about design thinking. Utilize effective facilitations techniques such as activity, listening, opening ending questions and visual ideas to encourage participants and collaborations. In design thinking of workshop success, manage time effectively to ensure all the workshop activities are completed and objectives are met in workshops. So in design thinking, they creates listening, opening ended questions and different types of skills, listening, collaboration in managed time facility to ensure all the workshops. So let us learn about tools and methods for workshop design. In design thinking, using visual things tools such as mind mapping, storyboards and journey maps to facilitate ideation and problem solving in design thinking. In design thinking, incorporative design research methods such as user interview and observation to gain insights and inform design decisions. In design thinking, different types of experiment with the different workshop formats such as spirits or co-creation seasons to suit the specific design challenges in design thinking for workshop. So next, let us learn about benefits of design thinking in workshops. Collaborations in workshops bring together diverse perspectives, fosters creativity and generating innovative solutions. In design thinking, workshops are enable rapid prototyping and iteration leading to quicker design iterations and faster problem solution in design thinking. Engaging in workshops, increasing participant engagement and ownership of a design process, resulting in a higher quality of design thinking in workshop. In design thinking, so let us learn about best practice of workshop design. Clearly communicate expectations and workshop guidelines to participants before the season begins in design thinking or in the workshop of design thinking. Design activities that caters to different learning styles and engage participants through hands-on exercise. In design thinking, different types of documents and capture key insights, ideas and decisions during the workshop to ensure continuity and follow-up actions in practice of workshop. In design thinking, let us learn about case study. Successful workshop in design thinking example. Present case designs, thinking cases studies, how case showing how workshop has been used to design products, surveys or process. In case study of workshop highlights the outcomes achieved through effective workshop design such as improved user experience or increased efficiency. The sharing feedback from participants to demonstrate the impact of well-designed workshop. So last of design thinking conclusion. Design thinking is a workshop is a powerful approach to foster collaborations, creativity and innovation. In design thinking, effective workshop design requires clear objectives, facilitates skills and the use of appropriate tools and methods. In design thinking, by incorporating best practices and utilizes design thinking principles, workshop can lead to success outcomes and drive positive in design thinking. So this is about a design thinking of a workshops. Thank you.